guys, it's Suzuki Rider 512. I'm gonna do my bike check today. I got a Fit Part 2. I'll start up at the grips and go all the way down to the tires. Well, I have Fit grips, just Fit bar ends, Tektro brake lever, just stock Fit bars, stock Fit headset, Snafu gyro, Fit Part 2 frame, stock Fit forks, Alienation plain black rim, rims on front and back, stock 25 tooth cassette or sprocket, not cassette, up front. I got blue metal pedals right now. I'm getting plastics. I just got this a few days ago. That's why I don't have plastics yet. I got a 9-tooth cassette on the back. I got Fit tires, kink seat, fly seat post, yeah, Alienation rims, like I said. I have a stock, well, not stock, a Fit hub guard on the back side over here. And yeah, that's about it.